Hello, everybody. Very nice to meet you guys here. And now today, let me introduce you about our old customer. It was working with us many years. So let me ask him something. Okay. Hello, Mr.
Hey, Shannon, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Good to see you again. Yeah.
Could you show us and something cooperation with us? How's the feeling? Yeah, you can.
Oh, for example, I remember like 2 years ago when we did a villa in Ibiza, because you know my market is mainly in South France, America, and Spain. And the entire villa I did with you, my client was super excited first, and they loved it. You know, also that's important because in Ibiza, most of the owners, you know, during summer they do a lot of rentals. So it's really important to have good quality, because every week they have different customers coming to rent, to spend vacation in Ibiza. And Ibiza, it's a crazy island, you know, so a lot of things are happening in the couch, you know, so you need to have a solid fabric. So yes. So, and myself, I'm happy to work with you because every time I just did a project with you, everything goes with the flow, the collaboration, you're fast, effective, you know, nothing to say. Two thumbs up.
Yeah, so quality good and design also good. Yeah.
Design also good,
How's your feeling about our this time and design?
A bad design or bad design?
Design.
For me, you went to the next level. It's like compared to years ago, it's like next level, isn't it? Huh? Olaf, I'm right, huh? And even my friend Olaf, you know, is doing his showroom. He's thinking about taking only your stuff.
So hopefully we can do more projects.
This is for sure. This is also the reason we're here, because already you have another project with me.
Yeah.
With Olaf also, you're gonna have also a lot of project in Spain. So let's do the next one, Miami, who's coming soon, and we'll keep you update we will make a video with my Miami client.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.